Wagwan family, today may I share with you how I make my pasta salad. First, I cook the pasta, drain them off, cool them down. Here, I shred in my carrots. I cut in some sweet peppers. I slice them, cut them in julienne strips, and dice them. Here, I'm going to cut one corn. Going to use some corn. Going to use some cucumber. Going to use some cherry tomatoes, some red onions. To my bowl, I'm going to add some mustard, some sour cream, some mayo, some sugar, some parsley, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and paprika. Mix them to the bowl. Add pasta, sweet pepper, onions, tomatoes, cucumber, corn, carrots. Then you want to mix them together. Now add the sauce. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. Just grated mozzarella cheese all over it. Now mix it together. Now I'm pour it in this tray. Put it in the fridge to chill. Serve after chill. Peace out.